Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the instrument exactly ready. Tune to standard E so chord shapes sound like the track, and then place a capo on the second fret. This matches Luxia 1 key and keeps fingering simple. Use light gauge strings to make the subtle bends and vibrato easier. Once tuned and capoed, test a simple M to see progression. If the timbre feels thin, slightly raise the action or freshen strings, because tone and intonation matter now. Next, focus on the groove. You play a down, muted down-up strum pattern to capture Luxia 1 syncopation. Practice at 60% tempo until consistent. Use voicings M, C maj 7, G, and D sus 4 with partial bar shapes to preserve the airy highs. Pay attention to dynamics, accent beats 1 and 3, and use light palm muting during verses to recreate the intimate texture. Once you lock the rhythm and voicings, gradually bring the tempo up while keeping relaxed wrists and clear articulation. To finish, add small lead fills from the E minor pentatonic scale between vocal lines. Keep each phrase under 4 bars so they support, not compete. Make your attack soft and add light reverb to match Luxia 1 ambience, then check overall balance so the guitar sits behind vocals. If you hear buzzing or dead frets, increase finger pressure, move slightly back toward the fret, or adjust saddle height. These fixes clear intonation problems without changing your technique. Then rehearse full run-throughs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.